In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change theme in Google Play Store. Whether you prefer a bright look, a darker interface that's easier on the eyes at night, or you simply want your apps to match your phone's settings automatically, you can switch the Play Store's appearance in just a few taps on your Android phone. Start by opening the Google Play Store app. On the top right corner of the screen, you'll see your profile picture icon. Tap that to open the account menu. From there, select Settings. Inside Settings, choose General, and then tap Theme. This is where you'll pick how the Play Store looks. You'll see three options. Light gives the Play Store a clean, white background that's great for bright environments. Dark switches the interface to a darker look that many people find more comfortable in low light, and it can help reduce glare. System Default tells the Play Store to follow whatever appearance your Android phone is currently using. Simply tap the option you want, and the change usually applies right away. If you switch to light or dark, that choice applies only to the Play Store, so other apps won't be affected. If you prefer your apps to stay consistent with your phone's overall look, choose System Default in the Play Store's theme settings. With that selected, the Play Store will automatically match your device theme. To adjust that device theme, open your phone's Settings app, go to Display, and turn Dark Theme on or off. When Dark Theme is on, apps that honor the system setting, like the Play Store, will appear in dark mode. When it's off, they'll appear in light mode. Many Google apps follow this behavior, so it keeps things consistent without you having to change each one individually. A few quick tips as you go. The theme setting is located under General in the Play Store's settings, so if you don't see it right away, make sure you're in the right section. The appearance change should be immediate, but if it doesn't look different at first glance, give it a second and navigate back to the Play Store's main screen to see the update. Also, remember that choosing light or dark inside the Play Store won't change your phone's theme. It affects only the Play Store itself. That's all there is to it. You can set a dedicated look for the Play Store or have it follow your phone automatically. Pick the option that feels best for your eyes and your daily routine, and enjoy a more comfortable browsing experience.